Birding the backyards of Ecuadorian Amazon towns. Mission 2020. November 14, 2019. We are reporting from Puyo, the capital of Pastaza province, in Ecuadorian Amazonian. This video is going to let you discover a little bit of information about the lineated woodpecker. This bird was registered in the sanitary landfill of Puyo City. The lineated woodpecker is a large, crested woodpecker widespread in forested habitats in the Neotropics. It is black overall, with a brilliant red crest, white barring on the underparts, and a white line extending down the neck. Males have red on the cheek, while females do not. This species resembles several sympatric species of campanile woodpecker, but can be distinguished using details on the head and back patches. They communicate through vocalization, drumming, and rapping, especially during territory defense. The vocalizations are distinctive, and the sustained laughing call is a common sound in many areas. It often occurs in pairs that feed on wood-boring arthropods by hammering deep into trunks. Lineated woodpeckers also include fruit and seeds in the diet. They lay clutches of 2 to 4 eggs in cavity nests, which are excavated in dead trees by both parents. Lineated woodpeckers are not globally threatened. This is Inca Enterprises Discovery Team.